Estates at Acqualina is a luxurious residential development located in South Sunny Isles Beach, Florida. This opulent project features two soaring twin towers, each rising 50 stories high. Completed in 2020, it is renowned for its world-class design and exclusive amenities. The Estates at Acqualina boasts 265 bespoke residences, offering breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean and Miami's skyline. The development includes a variety of unit sizes, ranging from spacious three-bedroom condos to grand penthouses. Each residence is designed with high-end finishes, private elevators, and expansive terraces. The building's architecture is a blend of modern elegance and classic sophistication, featuring a sleek glass facade. Residents enjoy access to a range of luxurious amenities, including a 24-hour concierge, a full-service spa, multiple swimming pools, and a state-of-the-art fitness center. The Estates also includes a private beach club, gourmet dining options, and a children's play area. The development's location in Sunny Isles Beach offers convenient access to Miami's vibrant cultural and entertainment scene. In addition to its impressive amenities, the Estates at Acqualina is known for its meticulous attention to detail and exceptional service, making it one of the most coveted addresses in Miami. The project exemplifies the pinnacle of luxury living in South Florida, offering an unparalleled lifestyle experience.